Hello everyone. Today I will guide you step by step on how to activate your Security Bank ATM or debit card. First, open the Security Bank mobile app and log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, look for the section called Cards on the main screen. In some versions of the app, you may directly see an option that says Activate Card. Tap on the Activate Card option. The app will then ask you to enter your card details. Carefully type in the CVV, which is the three-digit number found at the back of your card. You may also be asked to confirm other card information to make sure it is really you. After entering the required details, the app will send a one-time password to your registered mobile number or email address. Check your messages and enter the OTP into the app before it expires. This step confirms your identity and secures the activation process. Once the OTP is accepted, you may be asked to set or change your card PIN. Follow the instructions on the screen. After completing these steps, your Security Bank ATM or debit card will be successfully activated and ready to use for transactions, purchases, and withdrawals. Thanks for watching.